following video, we'll go through the step-by-step process of how to edit clearances. So to begin, you're going to want to go to the People tab on the left-hand side panel, and then go on Clearances. For the purposes of this example, let's say we have a current user that has the security clearance of a supervisor, and we want to give them additional access. Now, since we're unable to modify the supervisor section, what we will do is we will add a subclearance. To do this, click on the Supervisor tab and click on Add Subclearance on the top of the page. Now you're going to want to give this new subclearance a new name. From there, you can click on the features that you want to add to this clearance. So I want them to be able to create a shareable link, and I want them to be able to delete a shareable link. Once I've done that, I can click Save on the top of the page. Now we can go back to the People tab under Clearances and see our new addition under the previous clearance section.